So today I'm gonna do a Grande Cosmetics unboxing. Alright, they reached out to me via email, but is this a gifted collab? This is not paid. Okay, so I'm gonna open the box and see what they sent me. So, okay, so first thing is this. This is a Grande Revive Brightening Eye Cream. Okay, so cool. This is like a little eye cream sample. It's very tiny. Oh wait, they put like before and after pictures. So if you have really bad under eyes and you have saggy skin, it says if you use this it works. Look at the difference. I don't know if it does work. This is pretty interesting because this looks like plastic surgery or Botox or any of those procedures you do can make your eye go to this, to that. I don't know if creams can do that. That's too, like, I don't know, maybe, I don't know. I haven't tried it, so I can't say and review about it, obviously, but sounds impossible, to be honest, right? I don't know, maybe it's just me, but this has blue light protection and wrinkle defense. So I'm still 26. I don't have wrinkles. I mean, I have fine lines, but wrinkles no. So I can't really say if it's gonna work or not because I don't really have them yet. So, but I'll still try it, and I don't know if I'll do a review. But that's pretty nice. Thank you though. And obviously I'll put the price here. Okay, so I've heard of this brand before, but I don't really look through their Instagram, their website. I don't really know what they sell. I just know it's a beauty brand. Yeah, okay. So the next thing is a brow enhancing serum. This I knew I was gonna get. This is 4 months supply. Okay, so it's a pretty big box, like, wow. Okay, so let me see. So this gives you fuller, bolder looking brows in 6 to 8 weeks. Okay, so I'm gonna try this out on my brows and see if they're gonna look like super long or bushy, because obviously I already have brows. I don't need to use these products, but I still like to try it out because well, I actually do have a little bit of thinning here at the ends, right here, you see, because I accidentally chopped them off. Whenever I would use my scissors to trim my hair, it went like everywhere, like here. Like, I used to not have bald spots here. So don't do your brows at home if you don't know anything about brows, because especially if you don't have the right tools, because this one is like slanted and bended. I don't know if you can see. That's why it messed up, because it wasn't straight. It wasn't good quality scissors. They're very cheap, that's why. I use these for opening boxes or things. I don't really use them for brows, so yeah. Anyways, so I do grow brow hairs, luckily. They're just very thin, but I don't mind that much because I just put brow product here, fill them in, and that's it. And I do get a unibrows. I just like to trim here in the center, sometimes here, but that's pretty much it, because I have like the full messy hairy brows. It's like the type of brows I like. A lot of people don't like those brows. They prefer to be like super thin, like everybody, well, not everybody, but somebody replied to my story. Okay, weird. Long story, never mind. Anyways, I'm getting distracted. Okay, so it's freaking hot. Let me put the fan. I am choking. My own saliva. Oh yeah, and I'm wearing my parade shirt finally that I bought. It fits me very nice. It's very soft and comfortable. So you see, this is a dark purple. It's not like traditional purple like this. Oops. But it's pretty nice. I like it. Okay, so yeah. Oh my gosh. Okay, so okay. Let me restart. Okay, so 94% people saw healthier looking brows. Okay, so a lot of people like these. Apparently, I haven't read the reviews, but okay, let me see how it looks. I said, ooh, it's just like a traditional brow enhancing serum. If you really want to grow your brows and try this out, I'm gonna try it and see how it looks. So I might do a review like months from now. It's probably gonna be like what, winter time, and 4 months from now, or fall. I don't know, but it looks pretty nice. I like the packaging. It's gold. It's nice. So I've only tried eyebrow serum, and it did grow my eyelashes. So, but from another brand, not this one, from Babe Original, I recommend it, but it's pretty expensive. So I don't know if they have a eyelash enhancing serum too, or just for brows. I don't know, but we'll see. So if you have really tiny, little, thin, skinny brows, you should maybe try this one. After I review it, obviously, because I don't know if it's gonna work or not. Okay, I'm trying to open the freaking book, but I'm still gonna like test it out today. I'm gonna apply some and all that. Okay, so let's see. Okay, let me smell it first. It doesn't have a scent, so it comes out like this. It's a white wand. It's clear, I think. Yeah, it comes out clear. So okay, so it looks pretty nice. Okay, so on one side, then where's my mirror? Oh, okay, let me put some on. Okay, especially here at the ends is where I really need hair growth. Right here, not that much. So I'm not really gonna apply a lot here in the front, just like that. Just a little, okay? Because I don't really need a lot of hair. Like that, like bloop bloop, yeah. Okay, so now I'm gonna do that with the other eye. Okay, and I'll come back. Alright, yeah. Okay, so I already tested out. I filmed it for my Instagram reels, like where to go up and down. Okay, so I'm back. I don't know, I want to try the eye cream now, but since I have a possible audition and photo shoot this weekend again, I don't want to risk trying out new skincare products, because I have to take pictures and be on camera, and I'm trying not to ruin my skin right now. Maybe after like I do it, the photo shoot, well, yeah, probably like next week, maybe, if I don't have anything else going on. I don't know, we'll see, because my skin is so sensitive. So I'm sorry, I'm not gonna be able to try it out today. I do want to, but I'm probably gonna have to insert it, a clip of me using it another day. But so far the products look nice. Well, I just tried the brow serum right now, and it feels like it's gonna work. We'll see. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I really wanted to do an unboxing mainly and try the product a little, at least one, at least one. Sorry about that. Sorry y'all, but thank you so much, Grande Cosmetics, for sending me this and for reaching out, because I'm excited. I want to see how my brows look after. So okay, this is my before. Okay, these are my brows close up. So months from now, let's see if my brows look more fuller and longer and like thicker. We'll see. Okay, so that's pretty much it for today. Bye, thanks for watching.